What is behavioral leadership theory? Behavioral leadership theory is a psychological approach that focuses on the behavior of leaders and their impact on followers. It is a departure from earlier trait-based theories, which held that leaders possessed certain innate qualities that made them effective. Instead, behavioral leadership theory posits that leadership is a learned behavior that can be developed and improved through training and practice. Behavioral leadership theory is based on the premise that a leader's behavior has a significant impact on their followers' motivation and performance. Leaders who exhibit certain behaviors, such as providing clear instructions, setting achievable goals, and offering feedback, tend to be more effective than those who do not. The theory suggests that by studying the behavior of successful leaders, we can identify specific behaviors that are associated with effective leadership and develop training programs to help individuals learn these behaviors. One of the most influential behavioral leadership theories is the Ohio State University Leadership Studies, which identified two broad dimensions of leadership behavior, namely, consideration and initiating structure. Consideration refers to the degree to which a leader is supportive, shows concern for followers' welfare, and develops good working relationships. Initiating structure, on the other hand, refers to the degree to which a leader is task-oriented, defines roles and responsibilities, and emphasizes goal attainment. Another prominent behavioral leadership theory is path-goal theory, which suggests that a leader's behavior should be adjusted based on the situation and the needs of their followers. According to this theory, leaders should provide support and guidance to followers in order to help them achieve their goals. Leaders should also adjust their behavior to match the needs of their followers, such as providing clear goals and expectations for those who are less experienced or need more guidance. It is important to note that behavioral leadership theory has important implications for organizations, as it suggests that leadership can be developed and improved through training and practice. Organizations can use behavioral leadership theory to identify effective leadership behaviors and develop training programs to help individuals learn these behaviors. By doing so, they can improve the performance and motivation of their employees, which can lead to better outcomes for the organization as a whole. In addition, behavioral leadership theory highlights the importance of situational factors in determining leadership effectiveness. Leaders must be able to adapt their behavior to match the needs of their followers and the demands of the situation. This means that effective leadership requires flexibility and the ability to adjust one's behavior in response to changing circumstances. As we can see, behavioral leadership theory provides a useful framework for understanding the behavior of effective leaders and the impact of leadership on followers. By focusing on specific behaviors that are associated with effective leadership, this theory offers practical guidance for organizations seeking to develop their leaders and improve their performance.